So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
JJLEE squad, what is up? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. I probably will say that again in another video, but new mod installed on the Challenger. But as y'all already seen the thumbnail, y'all seen the title, Korjo Underglow has finally been installed on the White Dragon 392. As y'all can see, man, it looks great. It looks, y'all see it after this. This is kind of like a little intro for it, but it looks real good, bro. Kit costs about $85 on Amazon. Took at least $225 to install, about 3 hours labor. So, you know, about $225 to install. Shout out to Quality Auto Care. They hooked me up, squeezed me in. Didn't take too long. He hid all the wires perfectly, bro. There's no wires hanging. He made it to where the, like, yeah, it comes with, I think it's like 6 in the kit. It came perfect to the point where, like, y'all see it. Even the grill lights up, bro. So on the sides, under the front bumper and the grill, but of course we moved the two. Well, he removed one of the covers because it would be blocking the light. So he got that tucked inside the bumper, bro. Like, the install is so clean. He added an inline fuse, connected that to the fuse box, grounded it, and used a Dremel on the fuse box to the point where it looks factory. It's beautiful. Like, I should have recorded him doing it, but he liked to work fast and he liked to work by himself, and he hooked it up. Shout out to you, JD, bro. But it, like, there's no wires hanging. It's a clean install. It's Bluetooth. I can control it all from my phone. So, you know, I had to get some pictures, had to get some videos before, because, you know, I use my phone to record. But hope y'all do enjoy this video. Hope y'all do like to like it, bro. It's 120 different patterns you can use, bro. It's ridiculous. Like, it looks so cool and aggressive just going down the road. Of course, I will try to get y'all drive-bys or flybys whenever I can find somebody to film for me. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share it. The grind don't stop, bro. Like, take a break, earn some money, spend it, save, dish out some content for y'all real quick. But I do hope y'all enjoy this video. The White Dragon is getting better and better. I did want Underglow on the Orange Demon. Never got to do it, but as y'all can see. But thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all blew those. Y'all also, I want to say thank you. Y'all blew the Orange Demon's getting rebuilt and Will Ideas video out the roof. Like, for real. I appreciate y'all for that. But just want to say thank you. And I will catch y'all later. Enjoy the video. I'm out. It's real fun, bro.
Can you do that again? That wasn't loud enough. Yes.
JJLEE squad, new mod installed. I like that, man. It is the Korjo Underglow light kit. Yeah, we got about 120 different modes on this thing, bro. 120. Got a light. It's all wire clean. So I can see there's one of the lights right there. Another one of the lights right there. Clean install. Shout out to Auto. Well, no, Quality Auto Care. As you can see. Clean on the side. Gonna go through the vents. Yeah. Just like that. But I'm gonna show you, I don't know if y'all can see me, but little introduction, new mod installed, man. New mod installed. I like that. Well, I know he lying, fam. The icicle with it. Ooh. Ooh. We're going through all 120 modes, bro, of colors. Korjo, the kit was $85. Took $225 to install. Took about 3 hours. So it's hooked up. It's looking nice. It's neat. And it's on point. But y'all, I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. You know what I'm saying. I just wanted to show y'all that, bruh. Yeah. I just wanted to show y'all that, fam. So y'all can see. That's how you keep it like that, bro. That's how you keep it. Bro, that's freaking clean. See this read it out real quick? Just like that. I'm like, who the fuck? But yeah, how y'all like that? Bam. But I'm just showing y'all around it. Took $225 to install the Korjo from Amazon, about $85. 120 modes, clean wire install. I'll probably show different clips, but he got it wrapped up inside the frame, bro. It is a clean install. Again, shout out to JD at Quality Auto Care on Waco Drive, 2012 Waco Drive. Check that out. Look at all the different modes real quick. See, like, it can keep going the whole time, bro. For real. Look at this. It's beautiful. But finally got some light. Doing the headlight and stuff like that later, so stay tuned. But more videos, ride-along videos coming and stuff like that. I just wanted to show y'all the install. Also, shout out to Cassandra for hooking me up with this dude. But as y'all can see, man, she looking crispy. Big crispy. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Picture. Picture. Bam. But, yes, that's pretty much it for this one, JJLEE. I just wanted to show y'all the Underglow installed. Talk about it real quick to y'all. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm tired. But, there y'all go, man. I'm going to cut off. It's all controlled. It's also all controlled by Bluetooth. So, I put it on auto so y'all can see all the things. And I've been keeping it red and stuff like that. But, there y'all go, man. Y'all like that. But, no mods coming. I will catch y'all later. Y'all can't see me. Remember, subscribe, favorite, share the video. I'm out.